What's up YouTube? I just got a black overlay for my Q60. So all this chrome is gonna be gone, turn to black. I'm just gonna polish it up, probably take my license plate off and then get to it. So, chrome, no chrome. Alright, well, this is what I got so far. It might be a little overkill, but I'd rather have it stay on than fly off. That's how it looks now. Oh my god, it looks crazy. So, fitment wise, it's pretty accurate, but I did notice that there was some, let's see if we get his focus, like there's a fuck. I might have to, well, it's good for now, but later on I might just have to redo this with the 3M tape. But let's see, yeah, it's pretty solid. Yeah, the only issue though is on this side. Oh, you can see that. There's a tad, a really small. I could probably push that in, honestly. Put some chrome. You can see it. But it shouldn't be that too big of an issue. I'm probably gonna redo this in another video or probably do it off camera. But there it is.